Assalamu alaikum. In this video I will tell you how to sign up Zoom. First of all, go to Google and search sign up Zoom. Click this link, free sign up. When you click this link, this page will be open. Here you enter a Gmail address. Enter your Gmail address or any email account. Click it, sign up. From here confirm your date of birth, select month, select day. I will select 10 and you can select your birth year. And this says that an email will be sent to your account. When you click confirm, an email will be sent to your Gmail account for confirmation. It says email has been sent, so I will check the inbox. Here I see I haven't received so far. Maybe it is in the spam folder, so I will scroll down and I will check in the spam folder, but there is no email received. The other method is to search by a keyword, so I will search a keyword Zoom and press enter, and here you see I have received an email to activate Zoom account. From here there are two methods. I can copy and paste the link, this link, and other is this one, activate. When I click activation button, a new page will be opened. Here it asks, are you signing up on behalf of a school? No, I am not signing up on behalf of a school. And continue. When I click continue, here I will enter first name, then second name, then password. In first name I will type Huzaifa and last name Gul. Here I am to type the password. This password will be used when I sign into Zoom. Here are some instructions, at least 8 characters and some digits, and there must be these things. So I am to confirm the password. Click continue when done. I don't want to save password. Here you can invite your friends by writing their email addresses. Here you can read all the details. Now I will click I am not robot, this checkbox, and then I will skip this step. Here you see, here is the link of my personal meeting. You can open this or you can click start meeting. When I clicked start meeting, this tool will be downloaded. That's a Zoom application and installed. It is downloaded, now it will be installed. It will take few moments. So I need to stop and I will be back when it's completed. And I am back as it has been completed, and after download completes I run Zoom and it is still installing. After installation, actually installation sign up process has completed, and installation has completed. It is connecting now. As you see, join the computer audio. When I click, I can join the meeting, audio meeting. When you join the audio meeting, you will see a link for video. I can leave this audio meeting. Same way, click join audio button. I can share screen. I can invite other people by default email, by Gmail address, by Yahoo Mail, or whatever email ID they have. You can also use your Gmail ID if you don't want to create a new ID, a Zoom. If you don't want to create a Zoom ID, this is invitation email. You can send invitation to your friend or with someone you want to have meeting. All the details are given. This is in this email. Sorry, I have to enter recipient address, receiver address. Here I have to enter receiver email address, and then I will click send button. Now we explore features of Zoom application. So I will open Zoom application. Here you see different options. You can see recorded meetings, no recorded meetings. You can details up, check all the details. You can join a meeting. Here you will enter a meeting ID. This is the meeting ID of the person you want to call or you want to meet. So you can disable or enable video and audio from here. You go back. You can schedule your meeting. You can select the date, select the time, and all other details. Similarly, you can share the screen of your computer with other person. Here you can save contacts. There are no contacts. And this is new meeting button. If you click it, new meeting will start. Here you can see, you can check whatever you want to. When you click it, video meeting will start. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, like this video.